Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. We'll be needing this mat. It's called a placemat, feather, Alice band, and a face net. So just watch closely how I'm going to form this fascinator using this placemat or straw mat. Watch how I'm folding from the edges towards the center of this placemat, okay? So now I'm going to gather them together at that center using my needle and thread. I'll stitch properly until it is firm. Please, I hope you're watching closely how I'm doing the stitches. It has to be neat, it has to be invisible stitches. So next I'm attaching my feather. Now watch how I'm going to attach the feather on the fascinator. It's more like I'm trying to make sure the feather goes into the fascinator, into the shape of the fascinator, while hiding the end part, like the root of the feather, inside the fascinator neatly. Okay, so just watch closely, watch carefully how I'm going to achieve this attachment of my feather onto my fascinator. If you have been watching up till this point, I believe you're getting value so far. Please click on the share button, click on the like button, click on the comment button, ask your questions. I'll do my best to answer. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. So YouTube notifies you once you click on the notification button. So I'm just trying to make sure I attach firmly onto my fascinator. Remember, you have to use a matching color of thread. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I would love to see your own fascinator. You can reach me through the number that is showing on your screen. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to attach my Alice band onto my fascinator. Watch how I'm going to do this attachment using invisible stitches because you want your fascinator to come out very neat and beautiful. So if you've been watching closely, you understand what I'm trying to achieve here at this point. I'm trying to close that root, the root of my feather. I'm trying to close it properly using my fascinator, the placemat, right? You can see how I'm trying to achieve that there. So now I'm done attaching my Alice band onto my fascinator firmly. Now I'll be working on my face net. I will do a running stitch from one end of the face net to the other end. Oh yes, I have a video on how to make a bridal fascinator where I also explained how to work with this face net. You can watch that video by clicking on the link that's showing on your screen right now. So I'm passing my needle through the intersection on this face net. I'm not passing it through the bigger holes. I'm passing it through the holes, the tiny holes that connect to the bigger holes. Okay. Now I'm going to do this until I get to the end of my face net and I'll be back. So now I'm going to attach my face net onto my fascinator. Look at the points I'm attaching it, the point, the center of the fascinator. Now this face net is going to serve two purposes. It will serve as an embellishment on our fascinator. It will also serve as a proper covering on the center of the fascinator. Watch how I'm going to achieve the attachment of this face net onto my fascinator neatly so your thread or my thread does not go about showing everywhere. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cover up the part of my Alice band that I stitched, and that will be all.